You've moved your email to the cloud. Office 365 and Gmail's built-in security isn't catching enough. In fact, 25% of phishing emails are marked clean by Office 365 EOP. Traditional solutions like secure email gateways aren't built for the cloud and can often make the default security less effective. They also fail to protect against threats in internal emails. Deploying like an app, the Avanan approach to securing organizations on the cloud solves these issues and more. Scanning after the default security, but before the inbox, Avanan takes full advantage of existing layers to focus on blocking the attacks they miss. Rather than relying on a single scan, the Avanan platform layers security technologies from the industry's top providers to catch even the most sophisticated threats. Extending beyond email to the rest of your cloud suite, Avanan also protects against threats in file sharing and messaging applications. There is no need for complicated configurations or difficult setup processes. Avanan deploys in minutes and is managed from a single interface. Avanan.